Hey guys, how you going? My name is Dom, and in today's video we're going to be having a look at the setSelectionRange method within JavaScript. Okay, so this method right here is very easy to use, and essentially it allows you to decide which parts of your input field will be highlighted. Okay, so for example right here I've got this rename file input field. If I was to select it, we can see right there I've only selected the first portion of the file name, and I've explicitly chosen to exclude the extension. So this makes it super easy for me to just type a new file name. Okay, so that was done using this method right here, so it's very easy to use like I said, and I think little things like this definitely help with the overall user experience of your site. So let's go inside this tab right here and actually implement what we just saw. So going inside the text editor, I've simply just got the input field right here, nothing too special going on. I've also got an ID of rename file. So let's go down to the JavaScript, and we're going to be listening for the focus event on that input field. So basically, when the user has selected the input field, we're going to be doing something. So we're going to say document.querySelector and pass through here rename file as the ID. Then we can say add event listener and pass through here focus. Okay, so once the input field gains focus, the user has actually chosen the input field. We're going to run this function, okay, and essentially we're going to do a tiny bit of JavaScript just to find out the position of the actual extension part of the string. Okay, so for example, we can say console.log here, and we can say this.value.last index of, then pass through here a dot. Okay, so basically this refers to the actual input field itself. We're saying get the value, then get the last index of the dot. So if I was to save this and then refresh, then give focus right here, we can see in the console we get 11. So basically this right here is in position 11. Okay, so with that being said, let's use the setSelectionRange method to have that effect. So back inside here, we can simply change this to be this.setSelectionRange, then pass through here 0 as the start of the actual selection. Then we can say this.value.last index of, and then pass through here the dot once again. Okay, so now we're basically saying I want to set the selection range to be from the very start up until the last index of the last index of the dot, of course in this case being the actual file extension part. Okay, so saving this and refreshing, we have the desired effect. So refresh, and now we can see right there it is only selected the first portion of the actual string. Okay, so real quick, I want to show you what happens if you type in, for example, 5 in the actual start. It's going to simply start from the 5th character this time, so we can see here we now start at the E. So that is basically all we have to cover. So that is the setSelectionRange method in JavaScript. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you later.